The Harmonie Club in Midtown Manhattan is known as the second oldest social club in the city. Today, it's the host location of the 5th annual Step by Step Women's Entrepreneurship Conference, a celebration of women of color business owners and entrepreneurs in the metro area. This conference features a powerhouse lineup of speakers and panelists, including Natalie Tejada, founder and CEO of Generating Results, LLC, and of this very event. Tejada's mission is to design philanthropic models that empower less privileged communities to succeed in ever-competitive industries.
We create this with intention to build sisterhood. We wanted bring our women from our communities to a space where they can feel welcome, where they belong. And together we can continue building generational wealth.
This year's conference focuses on sustainable business growth and mental health support, acknowledging the unique challenges faced by women of color in the entrepreneurial community. The room is filled with the buzz of excitement and anticipation as women from all walks of life come together to share experiences, learn from one another, and build everlasting connections.
So I'm so excited to be here today. The energy from the moment that we got here has been incredible. It's been incredible to see so many diverse women of color who have really taken big risks to launch businesses, to support one another. And honestly, from the second that we got here, I've been blown away.
Co-founder of NYC Celebrates Women, Eliana Cruz, emphasizes the importance of community and support in the entrepreneurial journey, saying mental health awareness is just one aspect of supporting each other, but they also want to provide holistic services that help today's guests efficiently grow their businesses.
Happy to say that I see the conversation happening a lot in our community, specifically with women of color entrepreneurs. Our goal today is to have resources available for our community, and today is an opportunity to spread those resources.
In addition to the vibrant and delicious brunch spread, the conference offers other great perks, including the vast amount of networking and consultation opportunities. Even as the conference progresses, the energy in the room remains electric, fueled by the collective passion and determination of those gathered today. While it's generally unclear where one's career path will take them, what is clear is this movement working nonstop toward supporting, empowering, and relying on women of color entrepreneurs in the Big Apple.
It's really important to build the foundation of people that'll catch you when you fall, because falling and failure may be inevitable as an entrepreneur, and that can really weigh on us as we continue on our journey. So having that support system is crucial.
Reporting from BronxNet, I'm Chris Cumella.